Hi, it's Josh here at Jordan Bikes in Leeds, and this morning we have got this lovely 2018 Kawasaki H2 SX. The bike itself is fitted with a decat system to an acro cam, which has had both baffles removed, and they've got like a baffle cap sort of around here that's been removed as well, so it is a pretty free-flowing exhaust. I have done a lot of these recently, and the bikes tend to not run the best. The fueling on them is absolutely miles out. The throttle response from the electronic throttle is not the best either, so we're going to do the final run now, and then I'll run through everything that we've achieved. When I started mapping this bike this morning, we had a base run of 175 brake horsepower. That is obviously the blue line. So what you typically get with one of these, they run really lean anyway, sort of under 4,000 revs, you can see there, but obviously fitting the decat system has made it run awfully lean, more or less up to sort of 8,000 revs. They also don't tend to rev out and make power. That's just one, because the electronic throttle is really restricted and the ignition mapping is just way off as well. So basically the first job was to sort the fuel out, and as you can see, it's more or less there or thereabouts. Wherever it needs it, it's got it.
That's a solid red line, is
that is the solid red line. So basically all that does is make the power smoother, and then allows us to open up the ignition then to get more power. So yeah, you can just see how much smoother it is. It's getting sort of from 5,000 revs onwards. So yeah, it's come out with a massive 223 brake horsepower, just short of 224, so just short of 49 brake horsepower increase, which is absolutely massive. It rides 100% better. The throttle is so smooth now, and it's not in your face, it's just nice and smooth, crisp throttle, and it just be a totally different bike to ride. It'll just be like it should be really. So yeah, really happy with the results there, and I'm sure the customer will be too. So if you'd like yours win, just give us a call.